Hi guys, today I'll show you all this Nikonus stuff. I'm gonna sell all of this in one set. This is the close-up kit, which I will open up later and show you. This is just an empty bag where you can put all of this stuff inside. Which I will do later. Just put it first. Okay, so I'm gonna have a look at the side stuff first, then I'm gonna move to the light and then the camera. Right, so first off, this one is a bunch of O-rings for underwater sealing stuff. I'm not familiar with underwater photography, but these are the rubber stuff to seal the water and stuff like that. So I'm gonna set this one side. Alright, so next is a guide for Nikonus photography underwater. Alright, maybe I'll show you guys some details of the book. Alright. Very informative book, I assume. So set it one side. It comes with a user manual for the Nikonus camera. This is the manual for the speed light, the underwater light. Set one side. These are the underwater rigs and stuff. Set one side also. Just let that show. This is a light, the back. This is some sort of bag for something. Okay, so it's a close-up kit. I don't know how to use this, but just gonna show you in case you are interested. Let me put a stand. Okay, so the close-up kit, I guess it's supposed to look like this. So it has all the stuff, the rigging, the mounts. I don't know how to use them, but there you go. Okay, the big metal frame is here. So these are the big frames. Okay, that settles that. I'm gonna show the light and then go to the lens and the camera. So the speed light, I tested it. It fires, but let me change the angle. Okay, the speed light I tested, it fires, but I'm not sure how's the accuracy and everything. So this is where the batteries go in. It takes 4 AA batteries, which I have placed inside for this test. Sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it on. See, it's ready. And test. It fires. Can change the power as well, like quarter. I'm not sure if you can you. Yeah, I'm not sure if it shows on camera, but it fires full power. Okay. So TTL mode as well. Ready. Okay. So it works. I'm not sure, how accurate and everything. Sure the condition of the light. Gonna off it first so it doesn't drain my batteries. Okay. There's some guidance. But yeah, there you go. The speed light which fires, and I'm gonna put it one side. Another rig mount. Put one side. This is the sync cord for the camera onto the speed light. Go one side. And then I'm gonna show you this. This is supposed to be a targeting viewfinder thing. The downside is that I'm not sure why, but this thing is shaky here. So yeah, need to fix it. Okay, now is the lens. So this is the condition of the glass. Right. Okay. The Nikonus lenses is a bit different. The adjustment for aperture is done from the side. So this is the focus, this is the aperture. You can see the blades go down and up. This one will focus the thing. Okay. Put it back later. Okay, alright, so this is the camera. So this is the front. On the side. The other side. The top. The back. The bottom. It takes I think 2 LR44 or 2 SR44 batteries or equivalent. It needs like 3 volts of power. The light meter works. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can see the light meter works. Well, I'm not sure why I cannot focus on the light meter. But anyways, the light meter works. And let me try again. Wait. Yeah, there you go. Can you see the numbers? So yeah, the light meter works. Alright, so take out the lens. So this is the condition of the lens. body of the lens. Okay, focus. Alright, the shine test. Alright, this is the body itself. Okay, 500. Okay, 250. Okay, 125. Alright, 60. Alright, 30. Alright, all the shutter works. It's a functional camera. The odd thing I noticed is that if I open the film compartment, the light meter will stop working. So that's why I can't open and test the speeds, because once the light meter stops working, I think the shunt meter only show at one speed. That's why. But show the film compartment. So yeah, there you go. If you like this camera, let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.